Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw an action pose in which we will show a person in a ninja-like action, either swinging an object or just tossing a fist. So if you have your pencils all set, we're going to put down some framework. So the essential part in this framework is the torso. So there will be some foreshortening in this, and this is the extent of upper and lower body, and that is the, let's say, the groin area. That is the shoulder set right there. We could put just that much in place, and we'll play with this framework and put in the different aspects that we are looking to explore with this particular pose. So let's put the head down for now. To do the first one, so what we'll do is put the thigh out right like that. Right, so this particular thigh here will just end this far. So yes, it does appear that it's much smaller compared to the torso, but that's because of foreshortening. And then there will be a nice big knee, shin and calf area right there, and put the foot right there somewhere. But that is just one angle that we are tapping into here. And then the shoulder set, so a bit of a curvature. If you could place this delt here and have this arm coming like that. Now if we were to draw this pose out, do try to grab a different pen so we could do the honors here, and I'm going to put down a fist right there, go back, put in the shoulder set. Now this is like a twisted body pose. So twisted as in that we're showing the chest going that way and the legs coming this way. Or the leg, at least this one leg coming back this way. And a nice big foot there. And we could do a few different things with the other features, and we can leave the face right where it is. So this leg can either go like that, like toward the back, and a bit of the foot can show like that, or it can kick right back, and you could have the other foot going that way, and we could choose not to show it at all. So maybe it's like behind there and maybe a bit of the toe shows, and we don't even need that. It could just be like that. With the other hand, we have different options as well. So let's say that if we were to show let's say we want to give this guy a stick, so it will go like that and like that. It can also be a punching action. but it can also be different in the sense that you could just stretch the chest out and place both the arms like that, and it will be like kind of like a charging pose in which the torso would be more streamlined. So this placement of the leg did not move, and it can even be larger. So right now it's like, I think this large is fairly sufficient, but to round this off, we could also go all out and place it like that big, and it would still work. And here again, just to do something different, so drawn back hand and a fist can also be, let's say it's a fist fighting action, so a person like swinging like with both fists coming forward, so one cocked fist right there tucked and the upper arm tucked right there between the shoulder delt and the forearm, and that punch coming through. So a different kind of action pose, but one that is very instrumental and very, very universal with all those different applications. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.